Hello guys, Thomas back with another video, and today I would like to talk about why I think Deliveroo is the best job for students and why I think it makes sense that majority of students should go and apply and make use of it. So I would say first and main premise is that it's extremely flexible, and when you are in school it's really beneficial because as I found out, your schedule changes rapidly, changes all the time, and if you have something this flexible, it's very easy to pick a time where you want to go work and therefore make some extra money. Second, living in Amsterdam, and I would say basically more or less in Netherlands, it's not the cheapest. The groceries are a little higher. If you like to go out and pay for services, it's fucking expensive, and so you will need to work, or you have very good parents and they pay you everything. But even if that's the case, I think it would be good if you would try to be on your own, and yeah, so try to be responsible for yourself. And that's why one needs to work, and one can't work a lot when there's also school and stuff. So the flexibility of the job provides you exactly what you need. Also, you have a very high pay for the amount of hours you work, so that's just another plus. What I would say is the best thing to do is to find a job, like for example a bartender or a waiter, where you can work around twice a week, so let's say 2 days a week for 8 hours. That's 16 hours a week times 4 gives you 56 hours per month, and 56 hours per month is what you need in order to get a grant from the Netherlands. I don't know how it's called, like from the state, from the government. If you work 56 hours a week as a student, you can get a grant, and you can also ask for travel product, so you will be able to travel for free with trains and with other public transports, and you can also get some money for accommodation. And so after you do this 56 hours, you could apply for this product, get some extra money. So let's say you work as a waiter for 8 euros per hour. 8 euros per hour times 56 is 450. 450, let's say, approximately. And on top of that, around 200-300 grand, so that's already 700. And if you can put in another, I don't know, 3 evenings, 2-hour shifts, you can get 30 per shift, so that's another 100 euros, and you have 800, 900, sometimes even maybe 1000 euros, which is completely sufficient to cover your expenses like accommodation, food, and even have some extra money for fun, like going out for parties or something similar. So yeah, that was just a very quick breakdown of what I think and what I would advise people to do when they are coming to Netherlands. They aren't sure whether they will be able to cover the cost or not. So it's this: get a job which is easy because you will be exhausted from the school, and then put in some extra hours in Deliveroo and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoy this short, I don't know how would I call it, just the walkie-talkie about why I think Deliveroo is very good if you struggle financially and you need some help. If you decide to apply, check down the links where you have the referral. You'll get extra 100 euros after your first 30 deliveries, and you will also find some links for cycling gear like phone mount, batteries, and stuff I personally use. And if you buy through these links, you'll help this channel grow. So thanks a lot. See ya later.